Now let's be honest. We all love to watch Netflix and to watch videos and stay just like that for hours and hours every single day because we have nothing to do, correct? Well, while we were wasting so much of our precious time doing all of that, we just discovered that you can actually get paid real cold hard cash to watch these videos online. Yup, watching Netflix and random videos and get paid for it. For the most part, you can even choose what you want to watch. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can earn money just to watch videos from the comfort of your own bed or couch and as a complete beginner. It is a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money online, and it's going to start right now. You're going to get paid through your PayPal account. That's where you're going to receive all your payments. And we are going to be giving you 5 true, legit, and real trusted websites that is going to pay you to watch videos online. Now, all of these platforms, they're going to be paying you real cold hard cash. Not coupons, not points, real cash. Okay, we're going to show you how you're going to get started for completely free. You're not going to need any skills or prior experience and no investment at all. Anyone and everyone can do this job. Of course, we're going to be naming the 5 best platforms to make the most money that you can possibly make. And the last but most important thing that we would be including in today's video is how you're going to properly withdraw all that money that you've earned. Because when we make money, we want to make sure that we're able to cash it out properly to really say that we've earned money from this method. So we're also going to let you know how to do that. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So, let's open up our default browser, and then we want you to type in GrabPoints.com. Then this is what you're going to see on your screen. Now, GrabPoints.com has a lot of earning methods like taking paid surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and downloading apps. But since the main focus of today's video is going to be watching videos, that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. So the payout threshold for GrabPoints.com is $5, which is not too bad at all. It's a pretty low payout threshold, and which is great because you don't need to wait for $15 or $10, even just $5, and you can cash it out, right? So that's a pretty good factor. And to be able to start, you're going to want to sign in or sign up on the website so that you can get into your account and see what it's supposed to look like inside. Now we're just going to log into ours since we already have an account so we can show you an example. So this is how it's supposed to look like inside of your account. And the first thing that you're going to see are some surveys that you're going to answer and earn from. And if you scroll down, you're going to see more earning methods. And if you look over to the left side of the web page, you're going to see earn points. And then under earn points would be home, surveys, watch, and offers. So right now we're on the home page, and let's go ahead and click on watch so we can start watching to start earning. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Now, continuing on, once you click on watch, it will redirect you to this page, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Now we want you to hover on top of these 2 options because then you're going to see the exact instructions or the offer details. Then you can choose which offer that you want, and for this video, let's choose Lootably. Okay, so as soon as you've clicked on Lootably, you're going to be brought to another tab wherein you're going to see all of the videos that you can start watching. You can also see the points that you're going to get paid out in cash. So you're going to be able to choose which one you want, correct? So you're going to choose a random video, preferably the one with the highest point exchange. And then you're gonna be brought to another tab once you click on the video that you want. And make sure that you're not gonna click off right away because you're almost there. So as soon as you open up at the new tab, they're gonna ask you to sign up so that they can track your videos and really pay you. Now we're just gonna go and log into our account so we can show you what you're gonna see once you've signed up. Now you'll see all of the recommended videos for you to watch and earn from. And then once you've chosen the video you want to watch, you just click on that and then start watching and earning. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. So that is our first website. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our second website is called superpay.me, and this is a very satisfactory platform to make money by watching videos. As soon as you sign up, you're already going to be able to earn your first 20 cents, and that's only just to sign up, which is great. Now if you're done signing up and you're inside your account, this is how it's going to look like inside. You're then going to go on to offer walls to see what you need to watch, but before that, we want to assure you that people are actually getting paid, okay? So here you're going to see all of this payment proof, all of these people actually receiving a payout through their PayPal account through this website just to watch videos, and you can also have a preview on how much the rest are actually earning through this method. Now, to start watching videos and earning, you can go straight away to the offer wall, and then it's up to you to choose whatever you want to choose from the options under the offer wall, in which there are a lot that you can choose from. But we are going to be choosing engaged videos for today's video, and then as soon as you click on this, it's going to redirect you to another video section page that you also saw in the first website that we actually showed you. But in this website, you have the freedom to choose any of the topics given or shown of your choice. This makes it so much more fun to do since you can choose to watch something that actually interests you. So this is one of the factors that makes this website better than the first one that we actually showed you. That's why you need to watch until the very end of this video, because the websites just get better and better. Now you're going to choose a video of your choice, then it's going to bring you again to the actual video that you're going to have to watch. Now make sure that you don't click away, because in this video section you're going to have to sign up for an account in the video section as well, because you're not going to get your hard-earned points that will actually be sent to you as money to your PayPal account. Once again, don't go in the comment section down below to leave a response saying that this is a scam and you're actually not earning any money. This is why we emphasize that you need to follow step by step how to properly watch a video to actually start earning, because there are some crucial steps involved. So in order to really earn, you're going to have to follow through correctly. There really is a notice that in order to earn from the video that you choose to watch, you really have to sign up. So please don't neglect this step and sign up on hideout.tv so you can earn your money. It will then bring you to another sign up page once you click to sign up. Now make sure that's done, and then you're now going to start receiving money for the video that you choose to watch, and then you're going to be able to cash out your payment through superpay.me. And what you're going to have to do is just to go to rewards, then you're going to see an option to withdraw cash, and that's basically it. Now let's get into the third website, which is InboxDollars.com. Now this is a pretty well-known website, and a lot of people are actually on this website to make money by watching videos. Just from simply signing up, you can already make $5, okay, as a sign-up bonus, which if you can remember, the previous website had the same benefit but only paid you 20 cents. This website has $5. So this is definitely better than the first two websites that we've discussed. We don't want to trick you into thinking that you can immediately cash out the $5, because you're actually going to need $10 to be able to cash out. So you still need more than the $5. As you can see on the homepage, it says that you can be rewarded for watching TV, taking surveys, and shopping and cash offers, but in this video, we're focusing on watching videos, so we're only going to focus on earning rewards from watching TV. So let's go ahead and see how this website actually works. So it says here that brands pay them for consumer input. We recruit members like you. You are also going to be doing online activities, namely paid surveys, paid videos and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. But like we mentioned, we're going to take a close look at the paid videos and TV, because that's the main focus. And lastly, you can earn real cash and not points or coupons or whatever else that you might be thinking. So if you scroll down, you're going to discover how easy it is to actually earn money, because all of the information is provided. Now, we're gonna read the watch videos information, and it says that big brand companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers or new product features. They pay us and we share a portion of those earnings with you. It's very clear that you're receiving a part of their payment, and that's how you get paid throughout this method. So if you sign up right now using this purple sign up button that you will find at the most bottom part of the web page, you will get a $5 sign up bonus straight away, and then you need to make another $5, maybe through watching videos this time, in order to cash out the full $10 that you have completed or have made. This is a pretty fair way to earn some good amount of money online, and this platform has been operating since the year 2000, which means that it's legit and it's something that you can trust, that you can make money from. Our fourth website is called Swagbucks.com. Now, most of you probably already know or maybe have an idea about this website since it is pretty famous, but if you don't, then we're going to give you a rundown on how this website works and how you can actually start making money. So on this website, you can earn free gift cards and cash for the daily things that you do online. You'll see that under Earn Points, you're given a few options on how to earn, and then you're going to see that there is a watching videos method that is going to be sent to you as cash, and you can actually cash out from PayPal. So if you want to earn a gift card, then that will work as well. But if you really want to stick with cash earnings, then there's no problem with that either. Again, you don't make thousands off of watching videos on this website or the previous websites discussed, but you can make a decent amount of money where it's legit and real. So if you want to sign up on this website, you can simply click the sign up button, which is at the bottom of the web page. It is completely free and it is fast and easy to follow. You can immediately start as soon as you're done watching this video. Our fifth and our last website for today is called PikeCoworkers.com. It's a great website to start making your very first buck online. With this website, you're going to find job listings that require you to click on websites, and from that, you're going to be able to earn money right away. Earning money has never been so easy. You can choose from a lot of jobs, from a lot of small jobs, and then also big jobs, outgoing jobs. So small jobs would be enough to get you started on making your first dollar or two, and they are the quickest to do as well as the easiest. Okay, so basically you're going to be using this website to find small jobs, and those small jobs, they include watching videos. So you're going to want to sign up on this website today, right now, follow the process, try all the 5 websites and not regret a single thing about them. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.